Welcome back, math students. Today's tutorial is on ratios. If we look at the left-hand side of our screen, a ratio is a relationship between two numbers. Ratios can be written in three different ways. For example, the ratio of boys to girls in a classroom can be expressed as 4 per 5, 4 to 5, or 4 over 5. Similarly, equivalent ratios are two or more ratios that represent the same comparison. To find equivalent ratios, we can use a scale factor. When you use a scale factor, you need to multiply or divide all the numbers in the ratio by the same factor. If we look at our example in the bottom left-hand side of our screen, 6 over 8, to find and multiply both terms by 6 times 3 and 8 times 3, which gives us an equivalent ratio of 18 over 24. Similarly, if we divide both numbers in the ratio, we can find lowest terms or simplest form. Remember, the key is to divide or multiply both numbers of the ratio to find equivalent ratios. Now let's take a look at our problem. This is a real-world problem. Cooking rice. I was faced with the task last night of cooking for guests. The recipe and the instructions on the package of rice gave me a ratio. The ratio of cups of water to cups of rice is 2 to 1. So I'm going to write down my given information on the screen. 2 cups of water to 1 cup of rice. I'm just going to do some quick short forms for our ratios. So next thing I need to do is find equivalent ratios, because here is my problem. How many cups of rice would be needed for 8 cups of water? So I'm going to put my 8 cups of water underneath my water. How many cups of rice am I going to need for my 8 cups of water? So I'll start with a scale factor of 2. So I'm going to do 2 times 2 is 4. 4 is, and 1 times 2 is 2, so n equivalent ratio would be 4 to 2. But that does not satisfy my question. I need 8 cups of water. So my next factor will be 3. 3 times 2 is 6. That also does not equal 8, so that will not work. If I use a scale factor of 4, 2 times 4 equals 8. So I need to multiply both numbers of the ratio by 4. So 1 times 4 will give me 4. 2 times 4 will give me 8. Therefore, the answer to my problem is 4 cups of rice is required for 8 cups of water. Thanks again, math students. Be safe. Hope to see you soon.